26010. It's a pretty crappy lock. It's all beat up. I don't have a key for it. Alright, I'm going to use a new tension wrench and one of my new tools. It's a slimline offset diamond. Alright, let's give it a whirl. There we go. Pretty easy. It's a pretty good bit. Actually, the good old Camelback. My old one broke, so I got another one. Let's try this out. I'm surprised I didn't get that my first time. There we go. Try that one more time. With this lock, you really need to get the tension right because this lock pretty much sucks. Could be because it's all beat up and rusted. There we go. One stroke. Try one more time. There he is. There we go. Wow, like I said, it's a crappy lock. Probably gets all beat up and rusted, as you can see. Yeah, it's the Ultra 26010. Have fun.